Large or small, a kitchen is the soul of a house. Hence, homeowners strive to keep the space functional and welcoming. Over the years, plumbing and wiring can become worn out, the interior design might seem outdated, and appliances need to be updated. How to make a small kitchen trendy again. Every situation is unique and requirements for functionality vary greatly, let alone a budget. But there are a few aspects to consider while planning a small kitchen update. Cabinetry and floating shelves. Cabinets might be the first feature we notice in a kitchen. However, in the compact space, adding open shelves to the layout saves the area from looking cramped. Kitchen island. A properly designed island adds to storage space and considerably changes the kitchen's appearance. Lighting. Contemporary recessed fixtures, sconces, LED task lights. Options are countless and you always can choose variants to answer your requirements and fit your budget. Windows. It's simple. The more light you have, the more roomy a kitchen feels. Wall paint. It's always great when a renewed kitchen fits naturally into the interior and adjacent areas. Watch out for color shades and ensure they contribute to a desired airy look. Flooring. Renewed flooring changes the space drastically. Whether you opt for laminate or ceramic tiles, the lighter end of the natural palette contributes to the visual enlargement of the space. Accessories and appliances. Old-school knobs and handles can be replaced with invisible hardware, such as hidden hinges and recessed cabinet pulls for a sleeker look. Not necessary to do a full makeover to refresh a kitchen. New cabinet finishes with trendy accessories and a new lighting scheme can do wonders. The optimal solution is hiring a kitchen remodel company. Pros help you not only to turn ideas into reality but also to make sure that plumbing and wiring are done properly. How to design a small kitchen. Small kitchen designs can be stunning when developed and implemented thoughtfully. Not all design ideas and solutions seen on Pinterest or in industry-specific magazines can be applied to smaller kitchens. Practical space-saving cabinetry plays a crucial role in small kitchen renovation. However, there are other factors making the kitchen visually larger. How to make a small space appear larger. The color palette and lighting can do magic. Lighter colors, like off-white, beige, light gray, etc., combined with abundant lighting make a kitchen airy and visually spacious. Closed cabinets are practical but the space appears tighter. Replacing some wall cabinets with floating shelving will help to open up the space. Additionally, the layout is up to your preferences, but for compact spaces L-shaped, galley, or single wall with island layouts usually work well. How much does it cost to remodel a small kitchen? The average cost of a small kitchen remodel in the industry is $150 per square foot. Rates aren't universal, though. Every project is unique, and the final cost of small kitchen makeovers for cosmetic changes and the full remodeling will differ significantly. Groisman Construction has rightly earned a reputation as a trustworthy remodel company in San Diego County.